So now that you've got yourself set up with the Amazon Affiliates program, one of the things that you have to do, it's a requirement from Amazon, is that you state on your site that you are part of their affiliate program. Now there's various ways of doing this. You might want to state it in the footer so it's on every single page, but as a bare minimum I'm just going to put it into our terms. Okay, so this is just a standard phrase. So if I go to the terms, and let's just put it up here. I'm just going to paste it in here. So as you can see, it says Time Flies Fitness 2 is a participant in the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program, an affiliate advertising program designed to provide a means for sites to earn advertising fees by advertising and linking to Amazon.com. That's it. You don't need to worry about it any more than that. Alright? So just make sure it's somewhere on your site. Okay, that phrase. Now I've put it into the resources section so you can copy paste that. Obviously make sure you change Time Flies Fitness to your domain name, but please include it on the site. And it's a small thing, but it is very, very important.